Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to fix Buddy AI not working problem. If you are having trouble with Buddy AI not opening, loading or responding properly, then in this beginner-friendly guide, we'll go through some simple and genuine fixes. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data on your smartphone and try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data if one of them is not working properly. If your internet is slow or unstable, the app may stop working properly. So, once you are done with the internet connection, the next thing to do is to restart the Buddy AI app. Close off the Buddy AI app completely from recent apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then push off the Buddy AI app cards upwards. Once you do that, you'll be able to force close the app. Now open the Buddy AI app again after a few seconds, and this can fix temporary glitches and loading issues. Next thing to do is to look if you have updated the Buddy AI app. To check that, go visit your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for Buddy AI app in the search bar. Once you come across the Buddy AI app, look if there is an update button available. If there is one, tap on Update. Once you update the application, the updated versions usually fix bugs and improve performance. If the problem still continues even after updating the app, the next thing you can do is to clear your app cache. Clearing the app cache can only be done on Android devices, so if you're using Android, open up the Settings app from your Android mobile device or tablet, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Apps. From the app list, look for Buddy AI app and click on Clear Data at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click on OK in the pop-up to confirm the clearing of the cache. Once you are done with it, the next thing you can do is to open your Buddy AI app again, and this might help you fix your problem immediately. If nothing works out, delete or uninstall your Buddy AI application from your device and reinstall it again from the official App Store or Play Store. Once you do that, log back into your account and you'll be able to fix most of your problems out there if your Buddy AI app is not working properly. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.